Hello, my friends. The Christmas promo is still on, but guess what? We have a few more days. A few more days. And then that's it. You will not see this opportunity anymore. Okay? Right now, the promo lasts until 31st of December. And what they are offering here is the lake house, which you can purchase a fraction of it with just $250, and then you will be given the Christmas bonus of up to 580k. This 580k, you will be able to use it to spin the wheel and stand the chance to win up to $1,000. The second property that they are offering is the Phoenix commercial property. This you can purchase with a minimum of $10,270, and you will be given the Christmas bonus of 25 EST, which is equivalent to purchasing a lake house real estate. And then the last property that they are offering the promo for is the LA land plot. This one, when you purchase a fraction of this, it will allow you to get a bonus of 312 EST, which is equivalent to the LA villa, okay, which you can purchase with $3,120. So to me, this opportunity is like buy one, get one free. Okay, but let me quickly show you the summary of everything that I have just told you. Okay, so for the lake house, the one that you will buy with just $250, this is the cheapest one for this promo that is ending soon. When you purchase this property, the lake house property, you will be given this 580k on my right hand side that will allow you to spin the wheel. This wheel is the money wheel that will give you the chance to win up to $1,000. Okay, and then the second one that they are giving is when you purchase the commercial property in Phoenix. The minimum to purchase this is $10,270, and then you will be given Christmas bonus of $250, which is equivalent to purchasing the lake house. Okay, and then the last one is the LA plot of land. The minimum to purchase a fraction of this land is $51,310. And then you'll be given a bonus of $3,120, which is equivalent to purchasing the villa property in LA. So it's like buy one, get one free. This is it. Okay, so you have the opportunity to purchase these 3 different properties, starting with $250, 10k, and then 51k. The choice is yours, guys. The choice is yours. It's entirely up to you what you want to do with this great opportunity that they are giving to us this December. Is ending soon. 31st of December, all of this is gone. You won't see it again. So hurry up and get started if you haven't. The link is below this video description. If you have already registered and completed your KYC, all you need to do is to deposit money, $250, and then purchase the lake house property, and then you will be automatically given the 580k. If you decide to go for the second property, that is even better. If you want to go for the third one, which is about 51k, that is even greater. So the choice is yours, guys. The opportunity is not going to last forever. It's ending 31st of December. So pick up the link below this video description, join, complete your KYC, deposit your money, and purchase your property. The videos on how to go through all the steps have been done. It is also below this video description. All the links are there for you to follow. I look forward to seeing you in my team. God bless.